Here's my 25 priority books to read or TBR list for this year 2025. I set my reading goal to 25 books only for this year because it's more realistic to me and I base it on my lifestyle. And to be honest, I don't have the time to read every day. Last year, parang mga 17 to 20 books lang yung natapos kong basahin and hindi lahat yun nagawan ko ng book review dito sa TikTok and mas marami pa akong nabiling libro kaysa natapos. Though I'm not limiting myself to buy new books this year. Walang ganon. Charot. So first on my list is Welcome to the Yunam Dong Bookshop. Dapat last year ko pa ito babasahin after ko siyang mabili sa MIBF sa National Bookstore booth. Pero ayun, wala nang time. So this year, kailangan mabasa ko na din siya. Another book set that I bought at National Bookstore's booth during MIBF last year is this If Love series by Anna Wang. So this series contains 4 books plus this one. That's 5 books already. I love collecting book series, pero bibilin ko siya pagkatapos na yung series. Meaning, hindi ako mahilig mag-antay pagka kanyari available na yung book 1 and the next year pa yung book 2. No, no. Ayoko nang ganon. Bibilin ko siya kahit pa isa-isa basta tapos na yung series. I mean, kahit hindi siya naka-box set, basta complete and finished na yung series and available na siyang bilhin kahit pa isa-isa, mabubudol niyo ako dun. So here's the book 1 of If Love series, If We Ever Meet Again. Again, this is from Anna Wang. Book 2 is If the Sun Never Sets. Book 3, If Love Had a Price. And book 4 is If We Were Perfect. I love the spray edges of these books. Ayan, isa rin sa